nothing wrong with a little yummy tummy woman. When you're as perfect as you, honey. Marisha Harlett brings out the 10-year-old boy in me. I love Pakistan, Islam, Alaikum, Allah Akbar, Instant Allah. I'll be fortunate enough, lucky enough to meet Marisha Harlett someday. And you know, I love fuck America, fuck the police, and fuck the justice system. Because you know me, I look truth and honesty in the eyes, because Marisha Harlett, Marisha Harlett, how my goodness gracious, once a generation, you find life needed, everything you're searching for, and more. And that's why it's so easy. I bow down and say thank you for taking away the stress, taking away the anxiety, taking away all the pain and suffering. You're gonna boom, I hope we're doing this strong, because yes indeed, Marisha Harlett will always be there for you. Thank you. Thank you. Hold on to those improbable dreams. I'll meet Marisha Harlett someday. This life is just better because I found everything I'm searching for. Thank you, Marisha Harlett.